What is the ideal Katipunera?
Pardon, sir.
What is the ideal Katipunera?
I believe that the ideal Katipunera is justice, success, as skills and talent. I believe a Katipunera is half a mind that full with knowledge, a heart that full of love, and a hand that's ready to help. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Miss Stephen one. Alright, let us now call on our second candidate. We're not yet allowed to make comments about the answer of our ladies, so that the other candidate or the next candidate who will be coming up on stage will have no idea as to what the question will be. Again, let's have our question and answer round fair and square. Candidate come forward. They all look very elegant in their choices of gowns. Some had capes, some had lots of sequins, but every gown is a way for each and every candidate to express themselves. Alright, hello to Miss National Government Agencies, our next candidate to answer the common question. How are you feeling tonight, Miss NGA?
I'm feeling a little nervous, but I'm feeling incredibly good knowing my friends and family are here to support me.
That's really good to hear, especially since they're all here for you. And now I believe it's time for you to answer questions, so let's take it away.
Good evening once again, candidate number 6.
Good evening, sir.
The final question is this. What is the ideal Katipunera? I repeat. What is the ideal Katipunera?
As of now, we have a new tagline, which is the Bagong Katipunan. This showcases the resilience and the able to success no matter what challenges that it have been through. This is a prime example of what the Katipunera will be. If I were to describe the Katipunera, I would use the word resilience. For this resilience is the ability to overcome any hurdles in life and not settle in that instances and continue. If we had the resilience, we wouldn't just have a bagong katipunan, but also have a bagong kaugalingon. This is the qualities that are here. These are one of the qualities that are here, and it takes to be a katipunera. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss National Government Agencies. Alright, so now we're we're all ready to call on our next candidate. They all have different opinions, and it all boils down as to which one will capture the heart of our judges. And I'd like to say thank you very much to each and every judge for being here tonight and gracing us with your presence. I know it's difficult to choose the best candidate in this portion. We have here coming up Miss LGU Executive Department. Good evening, candidate. How are you feeling?
I am grateful at the same time I'm nervous, but I would like to say thank you to my family out there, my friends, and those people who support me. Thank you so much.
Right, we can feel your gratitude from all over the nation. And I see you're ready for your questions, so here it is.
Good evening, candidate number 7. This is your final question. What is the ideal Katipunera? I repeat. What is the ideal Katipunera?
The ideal entrepreneur is a responsible one, those who have integrity, and I do believe that I have have those qualities. And as an entrepreneur, you should have those qualities to without further ado, this is your question.
You did number 9. This is the final question. What is the ideal Katipunan? I repeat. What is the ideal Katipunan?
Katipunan is woven between history. It stood firmly from the very beginning to its full standing. And today, we are not just celebrating the 111th Araw or the founding anniversary, but also a celebration for we are a first class municipality. And that is because we have, we feel, and we saw a Papa in this municipality. Papa stands for progress, accountability, peace, and active action. Progress and receiving improvement infrastructure. Accountability, we saw the culture of answerability between our wants, needs, and desires of its people. Peace, the harmonious interaction and living of different cultures, beliefs that is living happily in our municipality. And action, the engagement for collaboration, not just for entertainment, but for also a collaborative action to solve the problems that we face. Because as one, we are Katipunero and Katipuneros that have unity even in diversity. Unity without even uniformity. And that is why I can say, let's all together say, Katipunan, Papa, Padayo, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Orang muda pun bisa.
And now let's go on to our last minute from the sky. Let's all come on and wait for her to reach the stage. We are almost done.
the idea Katipunera? I repeat. What is the idea Katipunera?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, the idea of Katipunera is a visionary woman. I believe